Well, hello there! Meet Skylar, your trusty guide to using our drug test kit by Identify. First, open the foil pouch at the notch and remove the test. Grab those handy little silica packs and toss them out. Separate the lid from the cup and set aside. And hey, gloves are always good. Skylar will demonstrate with 2 urine samples, the clean kind and the other kind. Get the threading just right and screw your lids on nice and tight. Sign and date the included security seal sticker. Peel off the blue cup label to show test results. And apply the sticker to the cup's lid and sides. Look at Skylar go! Now start the timer for 5 minutes and counting. In 2 to 4 minutes, verify the temperatures between 90 and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. If you see 2 lines, that means the test is negative. No drugs here. And if there's only 1 line, either a drug has been detected or some food or medication is cross-reacting. And that's it. How very easy. Thanks for tuning in, folks, and check out our website for more information. Bye-bye.